Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use web filters in Google search. So I'm just going to type something in here, just something I like to do, my personal hobbies. And what you're going to do is go into Tools, and then you can change it to where if it's only in the past hour, something has been uploaded for that. Or if it's been the past week, as well as it could be the date. You could sort it by the date. You could also do it by verbatim. No, yeah. And another filter that you can do, if you go back into the search bar right here, this original home page of Google, you go bottom right, you go into settings, you go into search settings. There's the safe search filter. This safe search can help you block inappropriate or explicit images from your Google search results. So it will just block any adult content there. So you could turn it on, which will block it, turn it off, which won't. That's the only other filter that I can think of in Google. And that is all. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.